Hey, we are back in the Moving by MaryKate studio, and I'm so excited to be here with you today. As always, we have day 29 of the Beginner Babe Challenge about to go down, and it is seriously incredible to think about how far we've come on this journey together. From day one, where you first started, maybe you were a little bit tired, you were inconsistent, you were lacking motivation, to day 29, where you are feeling excited about movement, you are loving the feelings that you're getting from moving your body and everything in between. So let's continue this journey together and crush day 29 legs. We have 4 different moves 2 times through today, and that is it. Of course, you can do this workout anywhere, anytime without any equipment. Just make sure you got a little bit of water. Make sure you got your challenge calendar, so after this workout, you can send me that sweaty selfie, tag me over on Instagram, check off that workout, and hold yourself accountable. If you don't have the challenge calendar, be sure to opt in. I'll send the workout and the calendar directly to you. Sound good? All right, let's go. We're gonna start out with your feet shoulder width apart. We're gonna roll your shoulders back, and we're gonna start out with a double pulse air squat just to loosen everything up today, to get you settled into your space, to get you ready to rock this workout. Day 29, I'm telling you, we are so close to the end. But like I'll say tomorrow, it is not the end, it's just the beginning. All right, loosen it up here. Booty drops back, add in that double pulse. Good, feeling it in those glutes, bringing it up to the top, engaging your core. That's right. So today we got a mixture of quads and glutes. We're gonna focus on your quads as we're in this double pulse air squat. Then we're gonna bring it more into glutes as we drop down on the mat. Good, 15 seconds here. We're gonna inchworm our way on out and come into tabletop. Good, breathe. Yep, no jumping today, it's low impact. So trust me, your heart rate's gonna get up without the jumps. It's 3, for 2, and 1. Inchworm your way on out. Walk your hands all the way down, come into your tabletop. We're gonna have those hands directly underneath your shoulders. Starting out on the right side, we're gonna come right into your circles. So you want it slow and controlled. Opening, bringing it center. Open it up, bring it center. What we're focusing on here is your alignment, your balance, your core. Again, slowing it down. We have 15 seconds on this side, and we're gonna hop over to that other side. Woo, loosen it up. Good. We switch sides. It's 8, for 7, that's right, for 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Down on the mat, left leg lifts. Woo, loosen it up, yep. I am feeling the workouts from earlier this week. I'll tell you, every day. It never gets easier, we just get stronger. Good, we got about 20 seconds on this side before we come back on our feet. We got a monster walk. So, I did tell you there's no jumping, but I am gonna give you the option to add on, only if you want it. We got 10 seconds. Booty is on fire. We inchworm our way back up in 4, 3, 2, and 1. Shift your hips back, walk your way on up. Roll your shoulders back, drop it on down, monster walk it out. Nice and slow here. Option to add on that jump squat if you want it. Good, you're staying low the whole time. Perfect. 45 seconds. Again, just giving yourself that active rest before we're back on the mat. We got donkey kicks on deck. Again, working those glutes. 30 seconds. Woo. It's easy to want to pop up. It's easy to want to give up. But you keep going forward. 20 seconds. Little walks, little steps. Focus on your breath. We inchworm our way back out. It's 4, for 3, 2, and 1. Inchworm your way back out. Walk it on out. Into that tabletop. Set yourself up for success here. Good, donkey kick, bringing it center. You'll notice today's workout is a little bit slower, and that's okay. Bring it into your donkey kick, bring it center. That's why I have many styles of training, 4 signature classes, so you can really get the experience that you want. If you like low impact style of training, I of course have those options with sculpt workouts. If you're someone that's been doing the Beginner Babe Challenge the whole time and you're ready to start incorporating weights, we got weight training. Good, stay with it. We're gonna hold it up at the top. In 3, 2, and 1, hold it here. We add in a little pulse for 8, 7, 6, getting ready for that left side. In 4, 3, 2, and 1. Let's go, reconnect in the center. Left leg lift, squeeze that glute at the top. Bring it center here, drive it up. Just like the right side, of course, we'll pulse it out on the left. Gaze is down, bring it up and back. Yes, that's right. Woo, feeling it right there. You got it, okay. Are you ready to progress? We're gonna hold it up at the top in 3, in 2, and 1. Hold day 29, little lift. It's 8, for 7, for 6, inchworm your way back up in 4, in 3, 2, and 1. Here we go, round 2, walk your way on up. Turn and face towards me, drop it on down. This time, we double pulse, we come on up. We reach at the top, we drop down, double pulse, reach at the top, let's go. Drop it down, and reach. Drop it down, and reach. Double pulse in the center, coming up, reach it over. Yep, good work. Getting ready to inchworm our way back out into our glute circles. This time we're gonna add on. It's 5, for 4, for 3, 2, and 1. Windmill your hands on down, walk it on out. All right, let's go. It's day 29, I know you're ready to advance. So you're gonna come in, you hit your circle. Starting here, then we'll advance. Circle it out slowly. Yep. It is hard to slow down. Trust me, I hear you. We are all go-getters. But today is just about slowing down a little bit. So you're gonna drop down to your left forearm. In 4, in 3, 2, and 1. So meet me here. Your leg is gonna kick out. Bring it in, kick it back. Bring it in, kick it out. Bring it in, kick it back. Bring it center, kick it out. Bring it in, kick it back. Yes, good. Out to the side, in the center, kick behind you, keeping leg lifted the whole time. Bring it in center, extend. Good, it's 5. Woo! Kick, bring it in for 4. Bring it in, extend. Kick for 3. It's 2 and 1. Come on up. Left leg circles out. Those kicks really add up. Good. Woo, my booty is feeling this. I know I'm not alone, right? Tell me you're feeling this too. All right, just like that other side, we are gonna advance out to the side with that kick, dropping down the right forearm. I switch sides just so you can see me in 4, in 3, 2, and 1. So drop down the right forearm, left leg lifts high, bring it in, kick it out, bring it center, extend, bring it in, kick it out, bring it center, kick back, center, extend, woo! Bring it center. Yep, out to the side, kick. We got it. It's 5, out to the side. Bring it in, kick back. Drive it in, kick out for 4. Kick back, bring it in. It's 3, whew. Kick back, in. It's 2, final 1. Kick it back, bring it in, kick it out. Tabletop, walk your way up, back into your monster walk. We are so close to the end. Your shoulders roll back. You walk it on out. Option to jump squat. Let's go. We are so close to the end. Maybe this round you do move a little bit faster. Things are feeling a little bit looser, a little bit better than when you started 8 minutes ago. Good work. 15 seconds here, and we finish off on the mat today. That's where we end. Yes, come on. Stay low. Whew. It's 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Come on down. All right, right leg lifts into your donkey, bring it center. We got 25 seconds aside, and that is where we finish today. Quick and effective workout. A nice little booty burn. Nice little sweat sesh. Get your heart rate up. Get your body moving, your mind thinking. Yes. All right, 7 seconds, but we're gonna hold at the top, of course, and pulse. In 5, in 4, 3, 2, and 1, pulse. It's 8, 7, for 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Left leg lifts. Bring it in. Left leg lifts. We're gonna pulse out on the side here, just the same. All right, get ready. We hold high. This is where we finish. In 4, in 3, 2, and 1. Hold it high. Little pulse. This is where we close it out. In 8, 7, 6, for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good work, day 29. You are done and dusted. Send me that challenge calendar. I will see you tomorrow for day 30. Let's crush it together. Have a good day.